Hello, this is Pete, your Service Sidekick support guy. This video will give you an overview on how to create an estimate, then make it a job. You should have seen the first two steps in this series, search feature and how to create a new customer. We are going to assume you use estimates in your business process. You will see through this video how you can skip this step if you need to, and go straight to a job. In this example, I have a customer calling me for an estimate for some work he would like done at his home. First, I do a search for his address and find Tom Murphy. This takes me to his customer record. We give you two options here to create an estimate. Up in the upper right hand corner of the customer screen, or directly below the contact field, is the New Estimate link. Click on the New Estimate link and it takes you to the New Estimate screen. The first open box is for the name of the job. Here you can put in the general type of the job that you're going to do, and then a hyphen, and then the scope of work. I suggest you format it this way for readability on the calendar. I'll show you how it looks in the calendar in a later video. Here we're going to do Tom's house and give him an estimate on doing some basic yard care. Again, my tip for moving through the Service Sidekick screens the fastest is to use the Tab key. Tabbing down to the Scheduled Online is where you will select the date and time you will do the estimate. Make sure you watch to make sure you select AM or PM. If you check to make this estimate non-scheduled, that will make this estimate not show on the calendar. Tab again to the duration box. Type how many minutes or hours this estimate takes. Let's assume this particular estimate will only take 30 minutes. Type 30, tab, and type M for minutes. It's that easy. Next, tab to repeats. We will come back to the repeating feature in another series and assume this estimate will not go on more than one day. Tab again to Technician. The drop-down will show you your employees that you have set up to receive jobs. You did this in the Manage Employees screen earlier. Tab to the next field for your estimate types. This field is for reporting purposes only. Here is where you would categorize your estimates. You can customize the types from the Settings tab. And the last field is your estimate status. Again, this is customizable, and I will show you how to update these two fields in a later video. Now click Create Estimate. Now you have your new estimate in the Estimate tab, or as I like to refer to it as the Estimate bucket. Looking at your new estimate, you can update any possible charges you want to show on your estimate to present to your customer by clicking on the New Job Charge link. Or you can add a task for yourself to follow up with this customer. Click on the New Task link towards the bottom of the estimate. This is a great way to help you follow up and follow through on all your estimates. By doing this, Service Sidekick will alert you to when you should call or contact your customer. Also, from within the estimate, you can add attachments. Tabbing down, you can go to the Notes section and add all the notes that you accumulated from talking to the customer in person or on the phone. Now, let's assume you've gone out and given the estimate. You update the estimate with the charges you estimated by clicking on the New Charges link. This will automatically update your estimate template there on the right of the estimate screen. Clicking on the estimate will bring up your screen version of the estimate. Clicking on the PDF will bring up the printable version. By clicking on the screen version, we give you an option to email your customer the estimate. And this is a very popular feature of ours. Returning back to the estimate screen now, notice that the Service Sidekick has given your estimate a number. Once you mark this estimate as 1, this number will become your Service Sidekick job number as well. Once you're satisfied that you've won the estimate, you simply click the link Mark estimate as 1. This simply moves your estimate from the estimate bucket to the job bucket. It's that easy.